Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan. Today we are doing a Metta Meditation or a compassion meditation, which is a form of focus meditation. So this is a really nice way to start incorporating it into your daily life. I do it every morning. It's a way for me to find gratitude in every situation and to find love and compassion for those around me. So grab your mat or grab your comfiest pillow or blanket, somewhere comfy, and let's create balance in your life. So find a comfortable position. It doesn't have to be on your mat. You can choose to roll it out and find a spot here, but just somewhere comfortable to you, either on a blanket or a pillow. You can do this in a chair or on the couch. I don't recommend lying down to do this. Find a seated position, but make it comfy. And then crossing the legs and closing down the eyes. And we'll take a few deep cleansing breaths here, settling into our body, signaling to our brain it's time to slow down. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, side out. Again, inhale through the nose. Exhale, side out. Inhale. Exhale. Find a few more here of your very own. So in your mind's eye, or you can picture a holographic image in front of you, I'd like for you to picture yourself. Picture your hair, the color of your eyes, the shape of your eyebrows, your nose, your mouth, your fingers, your body, all of it. And once you have that image, you can quietly say to yourself or say in your mind, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, and may you live with ease. Breathe that picture into you, that image. And the next person I'd like for you to imagine is a loved one. So this can be your partner, a child, maybe a pet, and someone that you care deeply about. Picture them, all of them, and quietly whisper or say in your mind, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you live with ease. Breathe them in. Exhale. Then I invite you to picture either a mentor, a benefactor, family, or a friend. Take a moment and picture that person. And then you'll say, may you be happy, May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Breathe that person in. Exhale it out. I'd like for you to picture a neutral person. So maybe this is someone you wouldn't necessarily think twice about, but they're there in your life. It could be a cashier you see often. Maybe it's your mailman or mailwoman. Maybe it's your dry cleaner or your house cleaner. Just someone that you see often. Even if you don't know their name, picture them in your mind's eye or that holographic image in front of you. And then we'll say, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Breathe them in. Exhale, let it go. Then I'd like for you to picture someone who maybe has annoyed you lately. Maybe you're not on the best terms with them. Maybe they frustrate you. Maybe you even dislike them. And if you can't find love and appreciation for them, see if you can find a little bit of kindness. Picture them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. And may you live with ease. Breathe them in. Exhale, sigh it out. And finally, I invite you to picture all living creatures, our whole world, the trees, the plants, the animals. This might be a National Geographic overview of everything. May all living things be happy. May all living things be healthy. May all living things be safe. May all living things live with ease. Breathe everything in. Exhale. And take a few more moments here to yourself, allowing that practice to settle into your body. And this is something that I highly encourage you to do on a daily basis. You don't have to go through all of those different people or those scenarios. Pick a couple. I do encourage you to include yourself though, for some self-love. But it is a way for us to find compassion for others, compassion for ourselves. It is something that the Buddhists really believe in, and it does make us kinder. It makes the world a kinder place to live in. So if you loved this video, I would love if you shared it with a friend, and I would love, love, love if you subscribe to the channel today. With that, we'll bring our hands together and place them in front of our heart, feeling our heart beating beneath our thumbs. And we find love and appreciation and gratitude for making time for ourselves today. Bring the thumbs right up to the third eye, and we bow to that divine spark that resides within all of us. From my heart to yours, Namaste.